Even as president, I have limitations, and I should respect those limitations. And all other arms of government have their limitations, and we must all live within the bounds of our mandate so that we can have a country that is based on the rule of law. I want to request the judiciary on behalf of the people of Kenya to support our administration in ensuring that corruption cases, commercial cases, land cases are adjudicated and concluded in a timely manner. We will promote dialogue between institutions and positive engagement so that we can all focus on how to take Kenya to a higher level.